Hi guys, welcome back to the EaseUs channel. Mac users may be very familiar with the trash on Mac. Well, not this one. It is this one. But there are some users who do not know how to locate it. The primary benefit of a trash folder is that if you regret deleting something, you can simply recover it by using the trash folder on your Mac. Keep watching to get the basic information on Mac trash and Mac trash recovery. Let's start with how to find trash on Mac. Method 1. Directly click the trash icon. You just need to locate the trash bin icon in the dock and double-click it. To locate a specific file, you can type the file name in the search bar. You can click on Empty to delete all your files in the trash bin. Method 2. Use the search functions to find the trash folder. Step 1. Press Command plus Shift plus G on your keyboard. Step 2. The search bar will open, so type trash and hit enter. You will now see your trash folder. Part 2. How to recover files from trash bin on Mac. Step 1. Open the trash folder using one of the two methods mentioned earlier. Step 2. Choose the file you want to recover and click on Actions. Then, select Put Back from the menu. Once you click on this option, the file will return to its original location. You can recover a whole folder at the same time or just one single file. Part 3. Recover files from emptied trash with data recovery software for Mac. What if you have emptied the trash bin? The final and perhaps the best option to recover your files from an empty trash bin is to use recovery software like EaseUs Data Recovery Wizard for Mac. Step 1. Visit the official website of EaseUs. Download and install EaseUs Data Recovery Wizard for Mac. Step 2. Select the drive to be scanned and wait for the process to end. Step 3. Choose Path from the left panel and locate trash. Click the eye icon to preview. You can save the recovered files to either a local drive or cloud storage. In this video, we have looked at where the trash bin on a Mac is and how to recover lost files from the trash even after emptying it. EaseUs Data Recovery Wizard for Mac will always have you back. Subscribe to the EaseUs channel to get more content videos in the future. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have a nice day. Bye bye.